and legacy of Crispin Cabel Beltran, Filipino labor leader. Crispin Beltran, widely known as Cabel, was prominent Filipino labor leader and activist who did dedicate his life to fighting for the rights of worker, farmer, and marginalized sector of society. He was the chairman of the Kilusan Mayo Uno, the largest labor federation in the Philippines, and later served as congressman representing the Anak Pawis party list. Circumstances surrounding his date, date of death, Cabel passed away on May 20, 2008. Details of death, he tragically fell from the fifth floor of his apartment building in Quezon City. While his death was officially recorded as an incident, there was widespread suspicion that it could have been politically motivated. His death came at a time when he was outspoken critic of the government, particularly under the presidency of Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, and his activism for labor rights has earned him enemy among the political and business elite. Context: Cabel that occurred 2 years after he had been elected to serve as congressman. He was known for his strong stance on worker rights, social justice, and land reform. As a labor leader, his vocal criticism of government policies, corruption, and social inequity led to various threats against his life. Many believe that his activists made him a target, and his death raised questions about the safety of political activists in the Philippines. Contribution to the labor movement. Leadership of KMU o Kilusan Mayo Uno. As the chairman of KMU, Cabel became one of the most influential figures in the labor movement in the Philippines. The KMU became one of the largest and most powerful labor federation under his leadership. He was instrumental in organizing union and labor strike across various industries, advocating for worker rights and pushing for better working conditions, higher wage, and job security. Advocacy for worker rights. Cabel was a first advocate for the regularization of worker, opposing contractualization, the practice of hiring worker on short-term contracts that often lead to labor exploitation and job insecurity. He was campaigning for better labor law and protection, ensuring that workers had access to security, healthcare, and other vital benefits. Land reform and social justice. In addition to his labor activism, Cabel was an advocate for genuine land reform. He believed that the Philippines ownership structure was deeply unequal, and he called for more equitable distribution of land to farmers. He also campaigned for the protection of indigenous people rights, as well as the overall improvement of condition of the marginal sector of society. Political involvement. Cabel activities extended to the political realm. He served as congressman under Anak Pawis party list as a group that represent labor, farmers, and the urban poor. In Congress, he was pushed for pro-labor policies, including wage increase, better worker condition, and the protection and worker rights against exploitation. He was opposed government policy that favored the elite foreign investment and U.S. Philippines military agreement, which he felt undermined the Philippines sovereignty rights, neglected the need for working class. Legacy champion of worker rights. Cabell legacy is deeply tied to the ongoing struggling for worker rights in the Philippines. He was remain a symbol of labor activists and his work continued to inspire labor leaders and advocates today. His leadership in the KMU and his work is organizing labor union, holding protests and lobbying for pro-labor legislation help elevate and visibility of honor issue in national discourse. Influence of influence on Philippine politics. As Congressman Cabello was one the few politicians who continue presented the interests of the working class. His advocacy of behalf of marginalized group shaped political debates, particularly regardless social justice and economic in- inequality. His legacy continued to influence progressive and labor movement, and this memory is invoked wherever labor union and the organization campaign for better policy in favor of worker. Social justice advocate. Cabell advocacy extended beyond labor rights to broader social justice issues, including land reform, the rights of indigenous communities, and economics policies that address that needed to the poor and the disenfranchised. His committed to social change remain powerful reminder of the need for systemic reform in the Philippines, particularly in relation to the unequal distribution of wealth and resources. Martyr for the labor cause, the ultimately unsuspicious, the nature of his death solidified Cabell as martyr for the labor movement. He was Philippines. His life and work were marked by his courage in the face of adversity and his willingness to stand up for most vulnerable in society, even great personal risks. His death further enlightened the danger faced by political activists in the Philippines and underscored the continuous struggle of labor movement in the country, ripe of inequality. Conclusion. Spinkabel Bertrand death marked the end of life dedicated to the labor movement, but his legacy lives on the work of countless labor leader, activists, and progressive political movement in the Philippines. His effort to improve the working condition, wage, and rights of Filipino workers, as well as his commitment to social justice, continue to inspire and drive the ongoing fight for fairer, fairer and more just society.